Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Mola and I'm a newbie in the affiliate market. But I decided to show all my journey and all my baby steps, the steps I wished someone showed me when I started, and I know it will help so many people. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to sign up to MaxbBounty. And if you don't know what MaxbBounty is, it's basically a CPA affiliate network where you advertise a product to any source of traffic, and you'll get paid whenever someone buys that offer, and also when that's like certain someone clicks on your link. And that's what CPA stands for. It's cost per action, and they also call it CPL, which is cost per lead. And yeah, let's just get into the video now. So first, you want to go to maxbounty.com. I'll keep a link in the description. You can go and check it out. So after you join to MaxbBounty, you go to log in, and yeah. So what you'll do here is if you already have an account, you can just sign in, or if you don't, I suppose you don't, if you're watching this video, then you just click register now. And yeah, off to the next step. Here, as you can see, it's very simple. You just enter your basic information, put your name, and don't worry about the company name. If you don't have a company, you can just put your full name. That's what I did, and it worked just fine. Alright. Alright, so about the password. Your password must contain also characters, not just numbers and letters. And it'll be fine. Retype your password on next step. So here, security questions. You've got 2 of them. But my advice to you is you choose a question that you will never forget the answer to. Because you'll never know when you'll need these. This is just an example of how you do it, but then I recommend you take a screenshot or you type these answers in a piece of paper or like a notebook that you'll go back to whenever you need it, so you would know exactly how you wrote them. And now into the third section, which is contact. You're gonna put your email address. You're gonna put you're gonna retype your email. You're gonna put your phone number, and I think the first one is required. The second one, I'm not sure, but if you don't have 2 phones, you could just retype the same phone number. But I already had 2 different phone numbers, so I put both of them. The reason why you want to give them your phone number is that they will call you the day after, and they will ask you some questions about why you want to join the network and how you're going to advertise your products and everything like that. So you must get a phone call to get accepted. You cannot get accepted without getting a phone call. You put your time zone, and in here you're going to put, okay, so what I remember doing is that when I put my phone number, my time zone, and when I head off to my when can you be reached, I put late afternoon. It was very funny because when they called me, it was exactly on time. And then you're gonna put your Skype ID. I remember making one because I didn't have one, so that's what you should do as well. How did you hear about MaxbBounty? You could say you heard about it from an affiliate market trainer, or you can write my name in case you heard it from me. You put your street address, your city. If you're in America, you put what state. If you're not in America, you put your country, and you put your country and your state, your postal code, and simple as that. I'm not gonna go through all of these because you should know these information. Yeah, no, we go off to the next page. So now we're in the most important step. Why is it the most important? Because in this step, you'll either be accepted or not. What is your experience? What is your experience? You have four options. I'm a complete beginner. I have a little bit of experience, but I've never received a payment from a network. I have some experience and I've received at least one payment from a network. I'm extremely experienced and have received many payments from networks. So, um, what I heard once from one YouTube video is that if you choose one, like the first or the second one, you will not be accepted because they just simply don't want beginners in their network. But at the same time, I didn't want to lie and say that I know that I had some experience or I have received payments when I didn't. So what I did, I went with a second choice because I did know, I did have an idea what I had to do and stuff like that, but I haven't actually worked. So I went with the second one. And when describing your past experience, it is very, very important to be honest. No, the reason why you need to be very honest is because that they will compare your answers when they call you. So I don't recommend lying and then forgetting what you wrote because that will just make it hard for them to accept you. But in case you do spice it up, just remember what you wrote in these boxes. So, mhm. So, hello, my name is Mola. I'm still a beginner in this field, but I have taken so many online courses and training videos. I'm very into this and very serious. I feel like I will benefit the company and will be dedicated to my work. Thank you. That should be fine. And then here I can be like, how do you intend to promote offers? Okay, now how do you intend to promote? Facebook ads, Instagram, YouTube videos. What offers are you looking for? Here you should type in your niche. Like my Instagram account was all about photography. I post pictures that I have personally captured, and I also care about automotive, and I just wrote a couple of other things that for no reason. I'm just doing this as an example, but if you do have a niche, just put that in. Okay, so about the website. You do not have to have a website. Some of them do require having a website, but what I did is I just put in the link to my Instagram. That's what I did. I don't have a website, but I do have an Instagram account that is still growing, and I just went to my Instagram. By the way, this is my Instagram. You can follow me. I'll keep a link in the description to that as well. So what I did, I'm just copying the link and I'm posting it in here, your website URL. And is this account for incentive traffic? No, mine isn't. But in case the website, if you do have a website that is using incentive traffic, then you should go with no. Then you should go with yes, sorry, and then incentive. So if you are using incentive traffic for your website, then describe the incentive. And if you don't know what incentive is, incentive traffic means, for example, you have a website, you attract visitors by giving them something for free, like you give out something in exchange for them to finish your CPA offer. That is what incentive is if you don't know what that is. And now I think we'll go into the next page. Um, Alright, here I think you need to write more. How do you intend to promote? You need to write in more information because they need at least 50 characters. Just say it as if you're speaking and you should be good to go for filling that box. And then here, okay, so check this box if you agree that you'll not share, trade, sell, or otherwise transfer your account to a third party. Check this box if you agree that you'll not use freelancers, microjob sites, or guaranteed lead services to send traffic to MaxbBounty. And check this box if you agree to MaxbBounty affiliate terms and conditions. So what I recommend is you just check these 3 boxes and then you're good to go. That is it. Thank you guys for watching my videos. I know it is not the greatest video. It is my first video on YouTube, but I am trying to give out valuable content. I am trying to be the person that I kept looking for on YouTube for a long time, for a very long time. So if you do have any questions or any type of videos that I can help you with, sincerely, then just leave them in the comments and I'll be sure to help you help you guys with all my heart. And thank you for watching and bye.